Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to reply to a specific message in Instagram on iPhone. Write comments, put likes, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Go to Instagram. Further open your profile. Here we click on the main page. Do a swipe to the right. Find the chat. After that, we see the message of the person who sent us. And in order to respond to this message, not just the message that we wrote and sent, but the message that the person sent us, we need to press say this voice message or text. Press reply and here write any word. And thus, you and I were able to respond to a particular message. We can also just do this right swipe. And thus also respond to a particular message. Write any text and send. It's so easy to do it on any iPhone, iPad, and so on. If you like this video, write comments. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.